Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the Scratch project Dual Random Walker. So we're using Scratch 2 and we let Scratch 2 control two autonomous robots at the same time. The robot will be able to do random walk, also do obstacle avoiding using the left IR. This is because in the Scratch 2 application of the mini robot, they only let you use the left IR sensor. So in this one, we use three sprites again: the duck, Zero, and Zork. The duck, of course, is the main controller for Zero and Zork. So when you click on the green flag, let everybody go, the duck will trigger in parallel Zero subscript and Zork subscript at a time, getting them ready. And Zero and Zork main script, of course, are described in detail in the book, but they are the same book. They are the same script, so I'm just going to show you the detail for Zero main script here. So when Zero receives Zero start message, it initializes the robot, and then there's a forever loop that runs in there. So it picked up the head IR value, only the left sensor to be exact, and save into near infrared Zero parameter. If that parameter is less than a certain threshold, it means there is no obstacle. So it goes in. It set the obstacle Zero parameter to 0 to signify that the mode is in. It say random walking as a text message, a balloon text, and then it also go through the speaker and say random walking, and then it pick up a random direction, it pick up a random motion repeat, and then it go walk execute to actually do the motion. We'll get to that in a minute. But and then the next group of blocks in the forever loop is handling the case when it happens if there's an obstacle. So it will have a text balloon say avoiding obstacle, through the speaker will say avoiding obstacle, and then it set obstacle 0 to 1 and it stop after, and using motion -1. So when it stop here and then it go to a repeat loop, as long as the infrared 0 is less than threshold 2, it keep on looping. Basically, this is the avoiding maneuver. And the avoiding maneuver is make one step backward and 2 right turn. And then pick up the new data again and keep on doing that until essentially 0 is until 0 is smaller than threshold 2. That means it's it turned away enough from whatever obstacle it found. And remember, sensor throughput is slow for Scratch and EDBOT, so this, we'll see how it goes. And then after it clear, it move back and right turn twice enough time so that it clear the obstacle. Of course, we set up the obstacle 0 parameter 0 because it will be clear. And then what did it essentially flash the LED 4 times, and then it say that it cleared the obstacle, and then turn the light motion off again. Okay. The walk execute use a block. You can see when you go in, it has a big repeat loop over the same side. So the repeat 0 is a number at random, and then depending which direction it is, it makes 0 go into that motion. So every time it goes through the repeat loop, every iteration, we make one move depending on whatever random direction happen to be. So it will go forward, backward, left, and right one time. Once it's done that, and then it check if the parameter obstacle 0 goes 0, that means previously before it made the move, in there it was clear of any obstacle. So therefore it will check NIR. So we'll call the user defined check NIR, which essentially read in the data from the left IR sensor. And if it's bigger than threshold 1, it's set up to 0 equal 1. It also do an emergency stop, motion 0. So once it's done that, it's coming out, and if it somehow found an obstacle 0 equal 1. And then this is, I'm trying to do is a breaking loop in Scratch, as I did in task. But it turned out this did not work at all. So basically all it does, it just already stops, so it's gonna stop the remainder of all these iteration of the repeat loop. Okay, so we get into the demonstration video here. And one thing you're going to notice is EDBOT that does not actually allow two robots to run at the same time in a way. So EDBOT, you're going to see that it's going to do robot switching or robot alternating, shall we say, during the runtime by EDBOT. Because EDBOT does not really let Zira and Zork run at exactly the same time. It will alternate, let Zira do the motion while Zork stop, and then switch to let Zork do the motion, and vice versa. You're going to see that. Hello everyone. This is a demonstration of the Scratch project doing random walkers. So let's get ready here. Turn both Zira and Zork on, and let's them connect through EDBOT. Oh dear, let's try again on Zork. Okay, both of them are successfully connected now. Let's go back to the Scratch 2 offline editor and get them ready.
Zork ready.
Zira ready. Random walking.
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 Random walking. Random walking.
Let's see if they can
Random
avoid
walking.
obstacle.
Emergency stop. Breaking loop.
But you saw that Zork already
Breaking
stopped.
loop. Breaking loop. Breaking loop. Breaking loop.
But you notice
Breaking
here
loop.
Zork didn't move anymore because
Avoiding obstacle.
he dropped out his connection. So right now only Zira working, and you can see that she's doing her job, avoiding the wall. So I'm going to stop the Scratch project
4 times when she
now
cleared the obstacle.
and try to restart everybody and see. Alright, so off, back on, off, back on. Let's connect. Okay, both of them are successfully connected now. Go back to Scratch and let's start everybody.
Zira ready.
Zork ready.
Random walking.
Random walking.
Random walking.
Do like Zira.
Random walking.
Hitting the wall, so Zira will
Emergency
perform.
stop.
Yeah, good.
Random walking.
You see it.
Breaking loop. Breaking loop.
Random
So
walking.
it's the
Breaking
split. The
loop.
job is divided.
The breaking loop doesn't
One
work
Avoiding
very
obstacle.
well.
One robot
Zira.
moves,
Random
and the other
walking.
one do the other
So
sometimes.
finding, avoiding, 1 back, 2 right.
Random walking.
Not both of them can move together like in task.
Random walking. Random walking. Random
So
walking.
somehow Zira lost control now.
So something has happened
Random
to
walking.
Zira. It's still connected, but
Random
it won't
walking.
respond.
Random
Zira
walking.
doesn't avoid the obstacle. Oh well, let's see. Let me restart Scratch again. In theory, right now, Zira and Zo are still connected good. Let's see if I can restart everybody.
Zira ready.
Zork ready.
Random walking.
Okay, Zira
Random
doing it
walking.
again.
Random walking.
Random walking.
Avoiding obstacle.
So Zira
Random
is avoiding
walking.
obstacle now.
Regular stop.
Random walking.
Okay, Zira avoiding obstacle. Okay.
Random walking. Random walking.
Here, Zira should have flashed the LED 4 times, but she got stuck.
Random
somewhere.
walking.
Only Zork is
Zero
working
somehow
now.
is not avoiding properly.
Random walking. Random walking.
Can we stop everybody? Everybody's supposedly still connected to EDBOT. Let's restart.
Zero ready.
Zork ready.
Avoiding obstacle. Regular stop.
Random walking.
Zira is ready to start. So Zira is avoiding obstacle.
Random walking.
Okay.
Random walking.
Both of them are random walking now.
Random walking.
Oh, yeah, it's avoiding
Cleared
Zork itself.
obstacle.
So
Clearly
finally
random
clear the
walking.
obstacle. It's flash the LED 4
Random
times.
walking. Emergency stop.
Random walking.
Braking loop.
So Zira
Random
sensed
walking.
Zork, but Zork didn't sense
Braking
Zira.
loop.
Random walking.
Random walking.
Random walking.
Random walking.
Both of them are
Random walking.
The sensor
Avoiding obstacle.
is not working
Regular
well.
stop.
Also, the sensor
Random
is not
walking.
working while
Zira
they're doing
working
motion,
pretty
so
good.
that's an issue in
Random
Scratch
walking.
too.
Suppose the lap
And
sensor
that-
over
Here's
here
obstacle.
only working. Same
Random
thing for
walking.
for here.
Random walking.
So both of them are clear now.
Random walking. Random walking.
But Zork
Of course,
just
the
flashing, so we
connection
just
to
lost
Zork
connection to
has been
Zork.
lost.